Okay, I can't wait any longer. I got to try this other one. Of this one, I was really excited to try. First of all, the bottled water I was drinking, I just noticed something weird about this today. These are bottled in Ontario, California, and I purchased them in Ontario, Oregon. I don't know, it just seemed like a strange coincidence to me. So back home for years, we have a candy that I used to like when I was a kid called the Big Cherry. Or I think that's what it was called. I don't think they've sold them, or if they do still sell them, they don't sell them as many places. And I haven't seen one for several years. Well, while I was in there, next to the Idaho Spud Bar, and the one I'll do in the next video, I got 3 altogether, I saw the cherry cocktail. Let's see what it says. Same company. I don't know how to pronounce that. Auhi? Auhi? I don't know. Maybe somebody else will know how that's. Owyhee. Does it say anything fancy? No. It's made in Boise, Idaho. IdahoSpud.com is the company. 1-800-8-YUM-YUM. 1-800-8-YUM-YUM is their phone number. Call them and tell them some crazy dude's eating their candy on video. I'm sorry, I don't know why that was so funny. Okay, I hope this is similar to the Big Cherry we have back home, or better. It looks like a big turd, doesn't it? Let's see. Tastes very similar to the Big Cherry back home, except there's less filling inside. There's more chocolate around the cherry. Some sort of little crunchy things inside the chocolate. I should have read what was in it first. I can already tell you, they're peanuts. I can tell just by chewing into it. Chocolate, peanuts, around a cherry. Pretty good. Give it another bite, see if there's anything further in the middle. Nope. Just a huge cherry. They should call this one the Big Cherry. Do whatever you want. Don't let anybody tell you you can't.